Hello, friends, welcome back. And as of now, we have discussed all the aspects of filmmaking till now, starting from the idea to the editing of the film. And now I hope, I believe you are ready with your team, your idea, and your knowledge with me, what I have shared with you through these video sessions. So, before we move ahead into the final production, this is a very important session to mentor and to you to understand how baby steps we would be taking in our execution of the final project. So I would like you to make some notes here. So we will start from the beginning. Number one, what is your idea? Does your idea has a conflict? Is your idea developed into the script? Have you utilized best of the team to enhance your dialogues in that script? So this is the first part of it, that your idea and your journey to script, what all your idea should have. This is the last session, and this is after that we will be doing a live session together on your doubts and questions. So before we start that session, you come to me, you should be prepared with all these plans and things. Number two, do you have a director in your team? Have you finalized your director who is going to lead? And does your director understand the responsibilities, what he all has to arrange, how the shoot will go on, what camera angles the director is choosing, what image size director is choosing, how the DOP is going to work under the director, what is the director's vision in showcasing that scene. Moving further, your cameraman is very well aware of camera angles and image sizes now. His handling to the camera is smooth. His hands doesn't shake while recording. He understands the audio recording, the audio input and output. He understands the lighting. He understands the capturing of the surrounding atmosphere, sound as well, to what extent he has to capture that sound. Moving ahead, you have an shortlisted an editor who will be editing your project. As in my last session, I have told you about the principles of editing, where to cut and where to start. That is the principle of editing. Color grading or visual effects is not part of the editing. And your editor should must understand unnecessarily putting into effects will spoil the communication of an emotion of your project. So I guess you are clear with this. Now coming to the production, you need to see a member who is volunteering the production part of it. I guess you are a team of between 10 to 20 people. So if you are shooting out, there has to be something called call time. What time team is getting together. You have other responsibilities also on your side. So keeping in mind, you need to form a WhatsApp group where you can communicate on group about your project, and you need to form a leader who is arranging everything. I would suggest not to make input, as I'm sure that everybody is available with funds and they can contribute, but still I would not want you to waste any even a single rupee. So you need to understand, when you are together, yes, there will be meals required, there would be some props required, there would be some costumes required. So try to arrange it for your meals. I believe you can do community pot lunch or pot dinners or whatever, tea, coffee exchange programs. What I mean to say is, don't put financial burden on any of the team members. Try and contribute and try and collect things which are available in house in team members itself. Move ahead, I would require you to submit your production plan. So what is the process of your production? What locations have you chosen? What actors and characters are you choosing? I would suggest to have your pictures ready of your actors and characters. And besides this, your final script for shoot is ready. I want your production teammate to make a requirement list, what all props, what all camera, lighting, the entire production plan you are have made. Then I would want your production team to make a time schedule that in what time, what day, what is the part of the film is being shot in how many hours. So this is very important because I believe you might be taking somebody's location or your teammate's house, or you're involving teammates' parents. So the thing should fall in a specific timeline. How many days are you planning to spend on your production, on your final execution of your project? So you need to plan every single step. Who is your makeup artist? Who is taking care of the art? Who is taking care of script writing? Who is your lightman? Who is your cameraman? I want every single detail ready as a project, as this will help you out in completing your project very well in time. Second thing, you need to make an order what part of film you are going to shoot, what location you are using, and you need to understand that if your film is for 8 minutes, are you shooting for 2 minutes a day, 3 minutes a day, 4 minutes a day? So, what is your shooting order? From where are you starting your shoot and where are you ending it up? So, I believe I've made it very clear. I need all the information before we enter into the mentoring session, because only then I would be able to help you out. I will be definitely informing you if there are any changes required in your script, in your director's vision, in your team, or in your production planning. And my humble and repeated request, do not write a script or plan a project which brings a financial burden on your project. So, which is not advisable from my end. You should look out for the things to be on barter system or in-house or exchange program between the teammates or the families. And I would want you to make a note of your hurdles and challenges coming your way, so that we can discuss promptly when we are discussing your final project. I thank you all and I congratulate you all for reaching out till here. And further, this is the last step. We would be executing on ground and hands-on practice of the entire project. So I thank you all once again and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.